Hey guys, to begin this project we first need a picture that you want to make on your canvas. For that we're going to Pinterest and we're going to search for something that you would want. I chose a tribal heart. And I like this one. So then you're gonna save it to your desktop. Save as. Give it a name. Then I went to Photoshop and I opened it. And I'm gonna make the picture a bit bigger because it's very small at this point. My canvas is 25 by 25 centimeters, so I'm gonna make the picture 20 by 20. And then I'm gonna save it again. Now I'm gonna cut it to size and I'm gonna transfer it with some carbon paper, some transferring paper. Put that on your canvas and the picture above it. Take something blunt and trace the pattern. And this should be the result. Now you're gonna take your glue gun and you're gonna trace the pattern. And you have to get some feeling into it. The last part. Now we are going to spray paint it. I'm using a gold spray paint, and I'm not really good at this. As you can see, I have a lot of spurts, if you like to call them that. And then when it's dry, I'm going to cover it with some pink, neon pink even, at the edges. And at some point my camera battery died. Now I'm just tracing it with some black acrylic paint. You can choose whatever color you wish, of course. I didn't want to cover only the glue. I did some small part besides the glue as well. And this is how it turns out, and I hope you liked it, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.